10 Best Bedroom Plants to Help You Sleep Better. Houseplants are multifaceted. Not only are they great to look at, but they provide numerous health benefits that generally, people tend to overlook. They have been shown to boost your mood and productivity, reduce stress and fatigue, help clean indoor air by absorbing toxins, are therapeutic to care for, and on top of all that, they can help you sleep better. With all the above benefits, it's no wonder bedroom plants are so popular. According to the British Nutrition Foundation, 43% of UK adults reported sleeping less than the recommended minimum of 7 hours on the previous night. The importance of sleep cannot be underestimated. We should all strive for the minimum recommendation of 7 hours of sleep a night, and to help aid you in that quest, we've taken it upon ourselves to share with you 10 of the best plants for bedrooms that can aid you in bringing more and better quality sleep to your life. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Jasmine, Jasminum. Known for its distinct sweet smell, jasmine is well known for being the go-to houseplant. This sweet scent is often used in candles or aromatherapy oils, and it's been found that smelling this scent is linked to reduced anxiety and improved sleep. Place your jasmine houseplant on your bedside table to experience the full benefit from this beautiful plant. 2. Snake plant. If increasing oxygen in your bedroom is what you're striving for with these plants, then a snake plant may be the right option for you. At night, these plants emit oxygen to help you sleep better. They also remove harmful toxins from the air such as xylene, trichloroethylene, benzene, toluene, and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is often found in hairsprays, which makes snake plants ideal for the bedroom. 3. Lavender, Lavandula. Arguably one of the most recognized smells on this list. Lavender plants provide numerous health benefits and work wonders while placed in a bedroom. It's said that Victorian-era ladies would stuff their pillows with lavender to help them sleep and calm their nerves. While this practice of putting actual lavender flowers in our pillows has died down, people who purchase lavender-infused sachets which emulate the same process. Studies have shown that the smell of lavender can reduce the stress in crying babies while helping them sleep. Lavender also decreased the stress of their mothers. Regarding this plant as a win-win. 4. Golden Pothos. Regarded as a super air purifier, the golden pothos makes a great addition to any bedroom. Use a traditional plant pot or, for extra efficiency, plant in a hanging basket. A golden pothos will work its magic while you sleep, purifying the air of toxins such as carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. This low-maintenance plant can grow comfortably in low-light areas and will only need watering once the soil is completely dry. If you have children or animals, beware that this plant is dangerous if ingested. 5. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is very commonly used for medicinal purposes such as gels for minor burns. But in its full form as a plant, aloe vera is fantastic for cleansing and improving air quality, which makes it perfect for the bedroom. Keep your aloe vera plant in a place with lots of sunlight and water it heavily once every 2 weeks. Its leaves maintain water very well, which is why it doesn't need so much. 6. Gardenia. A beautiful plant, the Gardenia is a genus of flowering plants in the coffee family Rubiaceae, native to regions such as Africa and Asia. Studies have shown the fragrance from gardenia plants to help regulate excitement levels on the brain, thus leading to a better quality of sleep for those smelling its sweet scent. It's been said that gardenia flowers are a great natural alternative to sleeping pills. 7. Spider plant. Spider plants are easy to take care of and are fantastic air purifiers. A common carcinogen, formaldehyde, which is found in many household products, is removed by spider plants, making it a perfect bedroom plant. Spider plants will also emit a lot of oxygen, helping you breathe more naturally in the evening while you sleep. 8. Areca Palm. One of the most tropical-looking bedroom plants on our list is the Areca Palm. A natural humidifier with its exotic-looking leaves. If you suffer from sinus problems, the Areca Palm is the one for you. Place your Areca Palm in indirect sunlight and water regularly throughout the spring and summer months. 9. Chamomile. Chamomile is more often associated with teas and essential oils but is also very useful as a bedroom plant. Pair with a fresh lavender bedroom plant to help induce sleep as you breathe in the relaxing aroma all night. An added bonus is to use the blooms of your plant to make your very own homemade tea. 10. Chinese Evergreen. A Chinese Evergreen, Aglaonema, is the perfect plant for those that want a bedroom plant that doesn't require too much maintenance. The Chinese Evergreen is a super purifier and will increase oxygen levels within your bedroom to help improve breathing. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.